friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about normal versus advanced English. Normal versus advanced English. How are you? How's it going? Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. Are you mad? Are you out of mind? Good luck, bro. Break a leg, bro. It's time to study. It's time to hit the books. I'm very hungry. I'm starving. Text me when you get free. Hit me up when you get free. I'm very busy. I'm swamped. Hurry up, we are getting late. Chop chop, we are getting late. Keep it a secret. Keep it under wraps. I like you a lot. I'm so into you. Stop wasting time. Stop faffing around. You are so lucky. You are so jammy. I'm very tired. I'm worn out. I'm very tired. I'm exhausted. Senorita, you are so beautiful. Senorita, you are drop dead gorgeous. I'm bit busy. I'm bit tied up. Why are you so angry? Why are you so pissed off? It's not so difficult. It's not a rocket science. I'm going to get married tomorrow. I'm going to tie a knot tomorrow. I'm very happy. I'm over the moon. I visit my hometown very rarely. I visit my hometown once a blue moon. Sorry, I fell asleep. Sorry, I nodded off. I'm fit and healthy. I'm fit as fiddle. It's very cold outside. It's freezing outside. Normal versus advanced English. I'll keep quiet. You'll zip your lips. I'm fit and healthy. I'm fit as fiddle. Text me when you get free. Hit me up when you get free. I eat a balanced and healthy meal. I eat a square meal. I'm very tired. I'm exhausted. He's so fat. He is big boned. How are you? How's it going? I'm scared to do this. I have cold feet. Subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.